I want to say this one thing is, when you take your car to the car shop, they'll literally change the brakes, but then they won't put grease on here and then put it back in, because it goes in like this. Okay, they just change your brakes and they stick. That's why this rusted up. No grease whatsoever. So I'll tell you, if you ever go get your brakes done at a car shop, you got to tell them to make sure they put grease on the bolts when they put it back in, or it's going to rust. And the reason I say this is because when I went to take this off very gently, it busted on me because there was no grease. And how I can prove it is this should not be rusted up. They weren't greasing these. That's why it's better to do the job yourself, to learn it and figure it out, because I can't stand having to buy a Caliper when people don't do their job right. You're just wasting money. But anyways, I just wanted to put that out there. I mean, that's why I'm starting to do my job myself, because I can do a better job than somebody else that doesn't care about my vehicle. So just want to let you know that. So I just wanted to show everybody, I literally got brand new ones, because what happened was I bought these, and these right here froze up. So you can replace these. These are the pins, but it's just a lot of work, and I just went and bought brand new ones. And usually it costs around $79 for this, for the set, but if you take this back, they'll give you $20 back. So I could take these out and fix it, but I'm just going to take this stuff back. But here's the new ones that I got, so I'll show you. There's the new ones on the car. Really cool. And basically, after you change your brakes and everything, you want to bleed the brake line and make sure you have somebody that can pump it and you can like bleed it. There's a bleeder. So basically, this is great. If you don't have money though, I would really say just you can pop these out, and I'll have another video to show you how basically to do that. But so basically, I just wanted to show you that, you know, some can be done, but when you have the money like I do, I like to definitely just do new. So basically, that's it. Buy new.